Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Moon.
Moon. Okay, Moon, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Okay, Moon. What color do you like?
I like blue and purple.
What animal do you like?
I like dog.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and 2 sisters.
What are you wearing?
They are 0 3.
Okay. And what is it?
It's a cow.
What is it?
It's a dog.
What is it? Sorry. What is it?
It's a cat.
What is it?
It's a dog.
What is it?
It's a frog.
What is it?
It's a hen.
What is it?
It's a roll.
And what is it?
It's a horse.
Very good, Moon. Next, what are they?
They are turtles.
What are they?
They are sheep.
Good job. What is it?
It's
What is it doing?
itching.
What is it doing?
It's jumping.
What is it doing?
It's flying.
What is it doing?
It's sleepy.
Very good. What are they doing?
They are swimming.
What are they doing?
They are running.
What are they doing? What is she doing?
She is swimming.
What is she doing?
She is sleepy.
What's he doing?
He's jumping.
What's he doing?
He's running.
Good job, Moon. High five, Moon. Thank you.